We're leaving our Airbnb. It's time to go. Gonna turn off these lights, head out the door, and head back to Arkansas. We're all packed up and ready to go.
Yeah.
Cats too. Super windy!
Seems like it at least.
So we're on our way back to Arkansas for my brother's graduation. We're gonna take it slow. We're gonna take a week to get there. Sorry it's kind of windy, but one of the stops on the way here is the Grand Canyon, and we're here right now. We're ready to check it out. Haven't been before, so let's go do that.
Oh my gosh.
Holy crap.
This is just like one little section.
Check that out. So we're sitting out here and I thought that maybe I can get a good sunset photo, but I guess I didn't plan it out good enough because the sun is over there.
Behind the clouds.
Behind the clouds, way over there, and then the actual Grand Canyon's right there. But that's okay, we're
still enjoying it.
Yeah, we'll still sit here and enjoy and watch the sunset. And who knows, we might get a little something. As soon as we got back in the truck, the sun finally came out, and I feel like it probably looks a lot better out there. But we just made it back.
I double dog dare you to come back tomorrow for sunrise.
Okay. That's better. All right, we're leaving the Flagstaff area now to go to our next destination. Last night it snowed a little bit, but luckily most of it has melted, and we can hit the road and not have to worry about all this snow. There may be a little ice still on the road, so we're gonna try to play it safe, but we're good to go. We're all packed up, we're ready to leave this place, and now we're gonna hit the road. Today, two of my brothers are graduating at the same time, on the same day, but in two separate schools. And we've decided to come to Nikki, one of my brother's graduations, and then halfway through, after he gets his diploma and stuff, we're gonna get in the truck, head back to romance for my other brother Troy is graduating and go to his after party. So that's the plan for today. Gonna enjoy both of them and tell them both we love them. We love you guys.
Hi, brothers.
Hi, brothers. So we're super proud of you and stuff. How does it feel to be a grown-up now?
I'm not a grown-up.